Welcome to Easy Learning. Today we will learn about type of data chart which is called pie chart. Pie chart is also called a circular chart which is divided into different slices. A pie chart is a type of data chart which we make so that the large quantity of data is easily read and the relationship between different parts of data can be easily understood. Here is the example of a pie chart. Let's read it first. Here the label or the title says it is about the imported fruits. And according to the labels, this portion shows the percentage of apples imported out of total fruits imported is only 27%. The percentage of oranges imported out of the total fruits imported is 24%. The percentage of banana out of total fruit imported is only 4%. And the fruits which are imported less are kiwis and strawberries, and their share out of total fruits imported is only 3%. The percentages of kiwis and strawberries are 3% each, which is the least of all fruits. And the fruit that is imported the most is apples, which is 27%. Here is another pie chart. This pie chart shows the percentages of types of transportation used by 800 students to come to school. Here, 15% of the students out of 800 students walk to school, while 30% of the students come to school by bus, 10% of the students use their cars to come to school. The biggest percentage in this pie chart is 45%. 45% of the students use their bicycles to come to school. Now we have 3 questions related to this pie chart, A, B, and C. The first question is, how many students come to school by bicycle? From this pie chart, you can easily find out that 45% of the students out of 800 students come to school by bicycles. Right, but here we have to tell the number of the students, not in the percentages. So the equation will be like this: 45% times 800. This will be the equation. Now let's solve it. 45% times 800 means 45 divided by 100. This percentage sign means 45% means 45 divided by 100 times 800. When we solve it, we'll get the answer 360. How will we solve it? In the denominator we have 2 zeros and in the numerator we have 2 zeros. So I'm going to cut these two with these two. 8 times 45 is equal to 360. So the 360 students out of 800 students come to school by bicycle. In the second question, how many students do not walk to school? Here we have to tell them how many students do not walk to school. Right, so do not walk to school means this pie chart tells us 15% students walk to school out of 800 students. So 15% walk to school and the remaining percentages shows that these students, 30%, 10% and 45% students come to school by bicycles, by cars, or by bus? So this means first we have to count these three percentages. So I'm going to show my work on this side. 30% students come to school by bus. 10% students come to school by cars. And 45% students come to school by bicycles. Right, 30 plus 10 plus 45. So it will be 85% students who do not walk to school. But in this question, we have to tell the numbers, not the percentages. So let's convert this percentage into the number of the students. 85% of the students do not walk to school out of this 800 students. So 85% times 800 will be our equation. Now let's solve it. 85% means 85 divided by 100. 85 divided by 100 times 800. Now I'm going to cut this 1 0 from this above 1 0 and this 0 from this 0. Because in denominator we have 2 zeros and in the numerator we have 2 zeros. Now we have 85 times 800. 85 times 8. 85 times 8 is equal to 680. 8 times 5 is 40, 0 and 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 means 68. So 680 is our answer. So I'm going to write it over here. 680 students do not walk to school. Move on to our last question related to this pie chart. How many students come to school by bus or in a car? Or sign means we're going to add. The students come to school by bus or by car. So how many students come to school by bus? 15%. No, it's 30%. 30% students come to school by bus. How many students come to school by car? 10%. 10% students come to school by car. 30 plus 10 is 40%. So I'm going to add these two. So now we have to find 40% students out of 800 students means how many students come to school by bus or in a car. Now we have to convert this 40% times 800 into the number of students who come to school by bus or in a car. 40% times 800 means 40 divided by 100 times 800. So when I calculate it, 40 times 8 means 320 students. So 320 students come to school by bus or in a car. Here is another pie chart. This pie chart shows the percentages of blood types for a group of 200 people. Let's read this pie chart first. Here, 25% people out of 200 people have blood type B. 19% people out of 200 people have blood type AB. And 16% people out of 200 people have blood type A. The biggest percentage in this pie chart is 40%. 40% people have blood type O out of 200 people. Let's solve these three questions one by one. Question A, how many people in this group have blood type AB? Here in this group means the group of 200 people have blood type AB. Blood type AB is this color, so 19%. 19% times 200. This will be our equation. Let's solve it. 19% means 19 divided by 100 times 200. When I'll solve it, I'll get 38 people. 38 people out of 200 people have blood type AB. Move on to question B. How many people in this group do not have blood type O? Do not have, okay? Do not have blood type O. So, how many people have blood type O? So, 40% people out of 200 people have blood type O. So this means I'm going to add the percentages of 25%, 19%, 16% means type A blood, type B blood, and type AB. Right. So I'm going to add these three, 16% plus 19% plus 25%. So first I'm going to add these three percentages. So when I'll add them, my answer will be 60%. So what will be my equation? 60% people out of 200 people do not have type O blood. So this will be my equation. And when I'll solve it, my answer will be 60 divided by 100 times 200, and after crossing these zeros from denominator and numerator, 60 times 2, 120 people. 120 people out of 200 people do not have blood type O. Question C. How many people in this group have blood types A or B? A or B means that I'm going to add the percentages of type A blood and type B blood people. So type A means red color 16%, 16% plus type B means green 25%, and then we're going to multiply by 200. So this will be my equation, and when I'll solve it, 16% plus 25% means 41%. 41% times 200. So 41 divided by percent means divided by 100. 41%, 41 divided by 100 times 200, and when I'll solve it, I have 2 zeros in the denominator and 2 zeros in the numerator. I'm going to cut these zeros, and 41 times 2 means 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. It's 82 people out of 200 people have blood types A or B. So this was all about pie chart. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.